22 years without a Premier League title. 34 years without a Carabao Cup. No Champions League in history. No Europa League in Arsenal Club's history. No Super Cup. No FIFA Club World Cup. No Champions League. 140 years. 140 years now. They have never defended a Premier League title. No treble winning season. No quadruple winning season.
Are you going to be watching Brentford against Arsenal tomorrow night?
Not 3 points.
What is it?
After the game tomorrow, we'll see how many points.
Are you going to watch the game?
They have a game on hand. I will see. We'll see. Of course, I will see, because we have the Brentford. And of course, Carabao Cup with Arsenal, and we're here, of course, as much.